Oh, you saw it. It just fell. Yeah. I got it. No worries.
Okay.
Are you ready? Okay.
Set. Go!
Ready? Here's your door opener. Push the button.
Right here?
Right there.
Right here?
Yep.
Over wrong side. Push it once.
Just one time. Push it again. Now let go. Close them eyes. Ready? Set.
I love
What do
it!
you think?
I love it!
You like it? Are you sure?
I love it!
It's yours.
Yay! I want to ride it!
Come on,
Ride
get
it.
out of there. Get it
It's
out
a
of there.
flower pot.
Holy shit.
Here, let me pull it out for you, sweetie. Pull it
I
out.
love it! Oh my god!
Get down.
It's little! Oh my gosh!
Can you reach the gas? There's the gas. Don't hit my car.
Oh, your nose off road! Jaxie, go in the grass! Jaxie, go in the grass!
Go in the grass, baby.
Woo!
Hey.
Yeah!
And it's got a reverse too and 2 speeds.
Gravel, dirt.
Oh,
Oh,
What's that?
when she gets used to it, you can undo that.
we
and
can
it
make it go faster.
much faster.
Cuddy, you want to ride with her for a second?
Oh, it's.
Come on, Cody. Sit right here.
Do you want to take that out now?
No, I like that you can keep it in.
Okay.
I mean, Cody, where
It's got a governor, so.
I love it, Mommy. You're the best.
Do you love it?
Ever.
Mwah. Go, baby.
Kiss.
Huh?
Love
Mwah. I love her face.
you. Sit down.
Oh, jeez.
Where is
Yeah, big girl. You are.
There wasn't a decal on it or anything put together.
Holy shit.
No steering wheel, no seats, no nothing. 2 big sheets. Cup did a great job.
Keep going, baby. You're good. Yeah, you're good, baby. It goes in the dirt in the woods. So you can take it out to the country. I got it so you can take it out the country, too. Go, baby, drive. Keep going, quick, hard. Push the gas. Yes. Watch out for Nana's car.
Oh my gosh! Do it again. Try by yourself. It's good for you.
Look at Dax driving.
Red, Dax. That thing is so cool. Come on, turn it around. Turn it this way.
Is that not the best mommy? You can reverse. It'll go in reverse too.
Hell yeah.
Hey, you almost run me over.
Get him.
Hey. Don't do that. This is the ducky's house. What? That's the ducky's house. Are the duckies no, they're not in there yet.
Come on, drive it back over here. You can't leave it parked right there.
I need somebody to eat it out.
No, just put it in forward. You're fine.
Hey! I need to put it forward.
Well, drive
Jump
it
in there.
forward, baby.
Drive it, sweetie.
It goes in the grass and the dirt and everything. Drive through the grass like a big bad girl.
Oh, I saw that one. I saw that one.
That thing is so cool.
Oh, funny.
That's disgusting. That ain't nothing like our red truck used to be. Go, stop it. Yeah, now big car. Now leave the cars to play. Turn hard.
There you go. Push the gas.
Watch out for Graham! Watch out for Graham!
Wow, Dax.
I really
Look at you in that. That's beautiful. Wow. Let me see a good picture of you right there.
Hey there. Look at mommy. Stop real quick. Are you happy?
You spending the night with Rick?
Yeah.
And Rick brought him home last
Wait,
night?
look at mommy and say
Going to
cheese.
work.
Yeah.
You didn't get it so you can show your daddy how you drive it.
You want to have him tomorrow, or is that while you're in town?
No, he wants him on his birthday.
What?
Jump in.
Him on his birthday.
Thursday night?
Y'all's birthday's
Jump in.
tomorrow.
Play for a minute.
That is.
Just play for a minute.
He's the 24th.
25th. Yeah.
Flat out.
I can stand up in this thing.
Look at mommy. Say cheese. Ah! Ow!
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.